Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you want to sign out of the DoorDash app, you might expect it to be a quick and obvious option, but many users actually struggle to find the logout setting inside the app. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting an issue, or simply logging out for privacy reasons, knowing exactly where this option is located is important. DoorDash places account controls inside the settings menu, which can sometimes be overlooked if you're not familiar with the layout. The good part is that once you know where to go, signing out takes just a few seconds. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to sign out of the DoorDash app quickly and easily. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app on your device. Step 2. Tap on your profile or account icon. Step 3. Scroll down to access account settings. Step 4. Locate the sign out or log out option. Step 5. Tap on it and confirm your choice. Step 6. Ensure you are successfully signed out of the app.